Welcome to Reviewsinside, where we break down the latest and greatest products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're looking at the Kenmore KW3030 wet-dry canister vacuum. This vacuum packs a punch with its 2.5 peak horsepower motor and versatility, making it a solid contender for tackling both dry and liquid messes in your home, garage, or workshop. Whether you're dealing with dirt on carpets, debris on hard floors, or even wet spills, this machine promises to handle it all with ease. First, let's get into the features. The Kenmore KW3030 comes with a 3.2-gallon tank that provides ample capacity for most cleaning jobs. Its powerful 2.5 peak horsepower motor delivers strong suction, allowing it to lift ground-in dirt from carpets and clean stubborn debris off hard floors. The vacuum is designed for both dry and wet messes, which makes it a great choice for those looking for a multi-purpose machine. You can even convert it into a blower for clearing debris from your workspace. This feature really sets it apart, giving you more flexibility to tackle various cleaning tasks. One standout feature of this vacuum is its wall-mountable design. If you're working with limited space in your garage or workshop, being able to mount the vacuum on the wall is a huge plus. The wall bracket comes included, so you don't have to worry about buying extra accessories. This wall-mountable feature helps keep your cleaning area organized and free from clutter. The Kenmore KW3030 is designed with convenience in mind. It weighs in at just a manageable size, and with its balanced top handle and 360-degree casters, it's easy to maneuver and transport. You won't find yourself struggling to move it from room to room, or even up and down stairs. The 15-foot cord and 6-foot hose give you the freedom to clean large areas without constantly switching outlets or feeling restricted by short cords. As for accessories, this vacuum has you covered with a crevice tool, a round dusting brush, a utility tool, a floor nozzle, and both a washable and cloth filter. It also includes a dust bag, wall mounting support, 3 extension wands, and the hose. Having everything on board is a real convenience since it means you won't be scrambling for tools when you need them most. The onboard tool storage ensures that everything stays organized and within reach, keeping your cleaning sessions smooth and efficient. Now, let's dive into how the Kenmore KW3030 performs in real-world cleaning scenarios. Setting it up is easy, and within moments, you're ready to go. When it comes to cleaning dry messes like dust, dirt, or crumbs, the suction is impressively strong. On hard floors, it picks up everything without leaving behind any residue. The carpet performance is just as solid, lifting embedded dirt and ground-in messes from low to medium pile carpets. For high pile carpets, it does a good job, though you may need to give it a bit more time to thoroughly clean. When it comes to wet messes, the KW3030 really shines. Whether it's spilled liquids in the garage or the bathroom, this vacuum has no trouble handling the extra moisture. It's fast and effective, sucking up spills with ease. Using the vacuum as a blower also proves to be handy for clearing debris from your workspace or driveway, making it a versatile tool. The included attachments really expand the vacuum's reach. The crevice tool is great for cleaning around tight corners and edges, while the dusting brush is useful for delicate surfaces like furniture. The utility tool and floor nozzle are great for general cleaning, whether it's on stairs or under furniture. Speaking of maneuvering, the 360-degree casters make it a breeze to navigate, so you won't be dragging it along awkwardly. However, there are a few considerations. One potential downside is the noise level. While the suction is powerful, it does get a little loud, especially when using it on high power mode. This might be a concern if you're cleaning in quieter spaces or have noise-sensitive individuals at home. Additionally, while the 6-foot hose is decent, it may feel a bit short if you're looking to reach farther corners or high places without having to move the vacuum itself. In terms of build quality, the Kenmore KW3030 feels solid, but the materials used for some parts, such as the hose, are more functional than premium. It doesn't feel flimsy by any means, but the plastic components may not have the same long-term durability as higher-end models. Still, it's built to last through plenty of household cleaning, and the design makes it easy to maintain. You'll appreciate the washable filter as it makes cleaning a breeze. The brush roll, though effective at picking up hair, may need occasional cleaning to prevent tangling, especially if you have pets. When you compare this model to others in the market, it's clear the Kenmore KW3030 holds its ground. If you're in the market for a wet-dry vacuum, there are a few similar models to consider. For example, the ShopVac 5989300 is another great wet-dry vacuum with comparable suction power, but it lacks the wall-mountable feature. The Craftsman 12004 also offers a strong motor and wet-dry capability, but tends to be heavier and harder to maneuver compared to the KW3030. What really sets the Kenmore apart is the added convenience of wall mounting and the practical onboard tool storage, both of which make cleaning that much more efficient. As for value for money, the Kenmore KW3030 offers solid performance for its price point. It's not the cheapest option available, but you get a lot of utility out of this vacuum, especially when you factor in its wet and dry capabilities. The ability to clean both wet and dry messes, the strong suction, and the variety of attachments make it a good investment for homeowners or even small business owners looking for a versatile, space-saving solution. This vacuum is perfect for those who need an all-around cleaning machine. Whether you're cleaning up after pets, tackling tough garage messes, or keeping your home spotless, the Kenmore KW3030 offers reliable performance. It's a great choice for those who value functionality and convenience, and the wall mounting option makes it ideal for spaces where storage is a concern. However, if you're sensitive to noise or need a vacuum with longer reach, you might want to consider alternatives with quieter operation or longer hoses. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. We're always breaking down the best products out there, so you can make informed choices. Thank you for watching. The link to get this vacuum is in the comments box below. If you already own the Kenmore KW3030, drop a comment and let us know how it's working for you. Until next time, happy cleaning, and remember, a clean home is a happy home.